And I will continue my study of some understory trees. I just took a moment on this same trail to video the leaves of a American hornbeam or musclewood tree. And I have found its cousin. Not direct cousin, it's not in the same genus, but they're in the same birch family. This is the eastern hop hornbeam, and I have commented on the bark in the past that it looks like a guy or gal that hasn't shaved in a while. It's a little scruffy, but it is unique in the fact that it's got very small lines, about a 1/4 inch apart, and it kind of is fuzzy and flaky. Right across the trail we got a seedling here that gives us a real good look at these leaves. And just like its cousin, the American hornbeam, this eastern hop hornbeam has a double serrated edge on the leaf. So it's got a tooth within the tooth, but this leaf is larger. The American hornbeam leaf was maybe 2 inches long, and this is 3. There is some variability in the size of the leaves, but in general, these leaves are larger than the American hornbeam. This is the hop hornbeam. And the double serrated edge is a little bigger as well, and there aren't as many small teeth between the big teeth. So the bark is unmistakable. The leaves could more easily be confused, but since the bark is usually visible first, that would be your primary method of identification. But this is the eastern hop hornbeam. Here's some more leaves here with that double serration. So you got a tooth, a large tooth, a little tooth in between the large teeth. And then on the other variety, there were several small teeth between the big teeth. So a good look at that on this specimen right here.